Today we will be taking a look at the Skeleton Hourglass watch. This watch is offered in several different case colors and strap combinations. Each watch comes with a box that can double as storage. We find a warranty card and a cleaning cloth. The unique skeleton dial breaks tradition and it makes the quartz movement look more mechanical. The specifications of this watch are as follows. The watch has a Tonneau style shape case that measures in at 42 millimeters. It's 50 millimeters from lug to lug. The thickness is 15.7 millimeters. The case material is made of 316L stainless steel. Protecting the dial, we find a mineral crystal. The watch weighs in at 110 grams and it has a water resistance of 50 meters. The watch comes with a supple FKM rubber strap that measures in at 25 millimeters and the strap length is 21 centimeters. Here it is on my 6 7/8 inch wrist, that's 17.14 centimeters. These straps can be exchanged by removing the screws located on the top and the bottom of the case. A variety of different strap options can be purchased separately. The watch is also legible in low light conditions as lume has been applied on the hands and on the indices. The inspiration for the skeleton watch is derived from the ancient hourglass. The junction of the hour, minute, and second hands of this hourglass watch is equivalent to the position where the hourglass controls the loss of sand grains. The watch is powered by the tried and tested Citizen Miyota 2035 quartz movement. This is a 3-hand movement that offers an accuracy of ±20 seconds per month. This has been an overview of the Skeleton Hourglass watch.